In the parent portal for existing Raytown families, to add a new student, click on Forms. After pressing the drop-down button, click on Online Application. Then click on I would like to apply for enrollment for a new child, and follow the prompts or refer to the new enrollment step-by-step video. In the new and returning student parent portal, each student you enroll will be displayed on the left side of the screen. If you need help with navigating your parent portal, click on the help link on the top left side of the screen next to the Raytown logo. To exit, click on the logout link on the bottom left corner of the screen. To reset your password, click on Forgot Password. You will be prompted to enter your full and valid email address so a password reset link can be sent to your email. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you need to add another new student, click on Forms on the left side panel and click on Online Application. The registration screen will populate. Then select I would like to apply for enrollment for a new child. Then start the application for a new student. Remember, you will have to upload required documents for each student you enroll.